In this video, we will learn about parts of speech tagging. Parts of speech are like noun, verbs, adjectives, and so on. Let's import NLTK. Let's get some information about word classes by issuing a help command from NLTK dot help dot upnn underscore tag set, and in double quotes we will type MD. Let's execute our code. In the output, you can see that we got some text here, and MD stands for model auxiliary. Can, cannot, could, couldn't, dare, may, might, so on. These are all model auxiliary words. We will do some parts of speech tagging. Let's make a variable and save some text. I'll make one variable text1, and I have already copied a text. I will just paste it in double quotes. Let's execute our line. Let's print our variable text1. In the output, you can see that we got a sentence. Wikipedia is a free online encyclopedia created and edited by volunteers around the world and hosted by the Wikimedia Foundation. This sentence is stored in the variable text1, and we will do some parts of speech tagging on this variable text1. Let's tokenize, that is, we will take out words from the sentence saved in the variable text1. I'll make one variable words1, and now I will call our variable text1. We will tokenize, that is, we will break this sentence into words and we will extract words from this sentence. From NLTK, I'll call the method word underscore tokenize, and then I will pass our variable text1. Let's execute our code. Let's print our variable words1. In the output, you can see that we have tokenized our sentence in variable text1, and these are the words. Wikipedia is a free online and so on. We can also look at the length of these words. I'll type length and then words1. In the output, you can see that we got 21 because there are total 21 words in this variable words1. Now we will do the parts of speech tagging. From NLTK, I will call POS underscore tag, and then I will pass our variable words1 in which we have saved our tokenized words1. In the output, you can see that we have done parts of speech tagging, and all these are verbs and all. We need to know the full form of this, and to get the full form we have one function here from NLTK dot help dot brown text set. Let's execute our code, and here you will find the full form of words here. For example, here DT, so you will see here DT is determiner or pronoun. Then we have CD, it is numeral cardinal, and here you will see that we have got some short forms here such as NNP, VBZ, DT, JJ. And to get the full form of a particular this short form particular POS, there is one more method. So I'll type NLTK dot help dot upnn underscore tag set, and now we want to know the full form of this NNP. I'll copy this NNP from here. I'll paste it here in double quotes. Let's execute our code. NNP stands for noun proper singular. Similarly, we can look at some other codes. For example, VBZ. I'll copy this from here. I'll paste it here. Let's execute our code. VBZ stands for verb present tense third person singular. You can also look at some other codes. Let's look at this CC. Let's paste it here. Let's execute our code. And here in the output we will see that CC stands for conjunction coordinating. This is how you can find the full form of each and every POS. And to do the parts of speech tagging, first we have to convert our sentence into words, and we can do that using word underscore tokenize. And once we have break down our sentence into words, then we can call our part of speech tagging on our words. And once we do that, we will get all the parts of speech for each and every word. And to get the full form of all these POS parts of speech, we can use the help method. Using this method you will get all the full form here, and if you want a particular full form you can use this another help method and you can put the POS here and get the full form of that. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.